Thanks for coming look at our 32-inch Adgressor, one of our auto scrubbers here. It's a rider version. We've got it in multiple sizes, a 32-inch, 35, and 38. Today we'll be showing you the 32-inch machine. Starting with the solution, it's a 42-gallon solution tank, very big tank. Here's where you fill it up, right in front of the machine here. 42 gallons of solution and 42 gallons of recovery. In the recovery tank here, you do have the ability to clean it out very easily. The drain port is at the bottom of it, so all the water will flush out. And it also has an optional debris tray. Not sure if you need that in your application, but what that allows you to do is to pick up debris, and not get it plugged at the bottom of your tank or else plugged in your drain. So it captures up there and then you just dump it out into a garbage can. So that's a very inexpensive option that I just thought I'd point out there. So 42-gallon machine, 32-inch cleaning path, scrub deck down here, very simple. Everything's about simplicity. No tools, removable skirting, very heavy-duty metal skirting. This skirting, you can see how it's angled to allow the water to angle back so it's picked up by the squeegee in the back. Pads come off very simple. They just lock on and off, twist it, drops right off. Okay. Putting the skirting on, very simple also. You can see these yellow tabs here. That's an adjustment. You can adjust the skirting down if necessary, if you're not picking up all the water. No matter how you turn this machine, you should pick up all the water on a turn. It has a 62-inch turning radius, so very, very tight turning radius also. So you just put that on and then you lock your tabs on there like so. As we walk to the back of the machine here, you've got your squeegee mechanism, standard with the Laminar blades. Very simple controls here also. It's slotted in the back, so if you happen to run into something, the squeegee will knock off versus damaging something you run into. Very heavy duty, all metal construction. Laminar flow design allows the water to quickly be picked up in the back here. You got an adjustment knob right here, very simple to adjust the squeegee mechanism. If it's out of pitch, you can just turn that knob. It ultimately straightens up the squeegee so it picks up better. Here's that recovery dump hose I talked about. You just pull this out. It's got a pinch and vary flow, so I can pinch it and turn the cap and flush all the water out. But I can pinch it so it doesn't come out too fast. And again, it's at the bottom of the tank. So when we empty this thing, it empties all the way out. There's a lot of competitive units out there that you'll leave about 2 to 4 inches of water in there, which we know if it sits in there, it'll smell after a period of time. Let's talk about the control compartment here, the seating compartment. Very simple to get on and off. You got tilt steering to make it very easy for you to get into the... Okay, as we look at the controls here, very simple. One button scrubbing. You turn the key on, and then it's very, very simple. Press the button and you're off and running. By me pressing that button, it drops the scrub deck to the floor. The squeegee mechanism is also to the floor, ready to go. You can see it turned on the water. So the water's ready to go, and the vacuum's ready to go with those showing that with the light indicators. But nothing happens until I put my foot on the pedal. When I put my foot on the pedal, the brushes start up, the water flows, and the vacuum starts picking up. When I take my foot off the pedal, everything stops except the vacuum will delay about 8 seconds to allow you to pick up the rest of that water and put it in the tank so it doesn't drip back onto the floor. And when I put my foot on the pedal, everything will start turning. You can hear the vacuum, the squeegee starts going, we're scrubbing. When I take my foot off the pedal, everything shuts off except you hear the squeegee. It'll delay for 8 seconds, allowing you to pick up the rest of that water before it shuts off so it doesn't drip back onto your floor.